Today we're going to check out how to make this spinning text here in Illustrator. Alright, so step one, let's go and select the type tool. I'm going to type in something. And for the font, I'm going to go with Neue Haas Grotesque. I'm going to go with the black version. Also, if you want to download it, I can leave a link in the description. And I'm also going to stretch it a little bit. Alright, so let's go here to the appearance. If you don't have it, you can go here to the windows and select the appearance. And now I'm going to go down here to add a fill. So this is going to add a fill and a stroke. We're going to need two fills. So I'm going to go and add another fill. And the first fill, I'm going to change the color here to some light gray. And then I'm going to go to the second fill. Let's go and select it. And let's go to the effects. Let's go to path and select offset path. And I'm going to go and offset it. I'm going to go with 4. Click OK. And I'm also going to go and select the rectangle, and I'm going to draw a rectangle on the text. So I'm just going to cover it up a little bit more, and I'm going to right click on the rectangle. Let's go to arrange and select send to back. So it should look something like this. I'm actually going to decrease it a little bit, and I'm going to select both of the elements, right click on it, and select group, and I'm going to make a flag out of this. So let's go to the effects, let's go to warp, and I'm going to select the flag. Here you can bend it however you want with this bend handle, but I think I'm going to go with 60. Click OK. And we're going to need 2 duplicates of this, so I'm going to press and hold Alt and drag it to the left. Also press and hold Shift to isolate. And right now I'm just going to work with this. Let's go and select it. Let's go to the effect, go to distort and transform, and select the transform. Now here we're going to need to increase the copies of this. So I'm going to go and add some copies, and we're going to go to the angle and check this out. It is going to make it spin. I think the 12-degree angle is pretty nice. I'm also going to add more copies, and it looks something like this. Click OK. I also want to add some shadows under each text, so it's going to look like some cards. And what I'm going to do here is double click on the text, and let's go and select the text now. Click on it. And as you can see, it is going to show up the fill and also the other fill with the offset. So now I'm going to go to the first fill with the color, click on it again, and let's go and select the gradient. And here I'm going to go and select the radial gradient actually. And I'm going to go and invert this, reverse gradient. And here you can customize the gradient however you like. And I'm also going to go here, press the letter G, and here it's going to show up the gradient settings. So I'm going to drag this little dot, and I'm going to increase it and customize it a little bit better. It is going to add some really good shading. I'm going to double click somewhere here, and now I'm going to go to the other text and drag it on and place it on the top. And that's how I make this spinning text here in Illustrator. Thanks for watching.